Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the repairs to the Ocho Rios the Ocho Rios port in St. Anne. Now, the Ocho Rios port is actually closed because of severe storm damage, and they don't expect it to be to open back until July 2025, full operation back to July 2025. Now, the good thing is Jamaica has 5 cruise ship ports, and there is another facility in Ocho Rios where another pier basically where the ships can dock, or they can go to Falmouth, which has the nicest cruise ship terminal not only in Jamaica but the Caribbean. Then you have Montego Bay all along the north coast, and you have the Northern Coastal Highway that can take passengers anywhere on the north coast. You have another port in Port Royal, but I'm not sure when last a ship has docked there. And there is actually another port in Portland, and Portland actually got 2 cruise ships docking there over the Christmas. Now, there was a time in Jamaica where a cruise ship used to dock in Portland every day. Every day, a cruise ship was in the Portland port. I don't think even, it doesn't happen anymore, but it just goes to show you the potential that is there. I don't think that ships dock every day in Falmouth. So there is a lot of growth that can be done for the cruising industry in Jamaica. And Jamaica welcomed its 1 millionth cruise ship passenger earlier this year. So there's definitely a lot that can be done for the cruise ship, for Jamaica being a cruise ship destination. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the work going on to reopen the Ocho Rios cruise port. The Port Authority of Jamaica is accelerating reconstruction of the Ocho Rios cruise port in St. Anne following severe storm damage in a bid to restore the facility to full operation by July 2025. Chief Executive Officer Professor Gordon Shirley is confident about this timeline being met, emphasizing the PAJ's commitment to supporting local businesses grappling with the port's current closure. The Ocho Rios cruise port has been a vital hub for tourism and local commerce, but its recent incapacitation due to a flood surge earlier in the year has posed significant challenges for stakeholders dependent on the cruise ship arrivals. Professor Shirley acknowledges the impact of this setback on Ocho Rios business interests and assures that the PAJ is doing everything within its power to expedite the restoration of services at the port. He stated, however, that despite the setbacks, the PAJ has managed to mitigate potential losses by rerouting cruise ships to other local ports. The CEO points out that while the Ocho Rios port's main terminal remains under construction, the services at the neighboring Reynolds Pier, also in Ocho Rios, have been stepped up to accommodate some ships while ensuring that the tourism flow remains relatively stable. The main thing is that we have not lost any ships, Professor Shirley notes, while highlighting the PAJ's strategic planning and crisis management. Ships unable to dock in Ocho Rios are being facilitated at the Falmouth and Montego Bay ports, demonstrating the organization's adaptability in the face of adversity. Professor Shirley says, to support local transport operators, the PAJ has also initiated arrangements allowing them to capitalize on the rerouted businesses, adding that the authority is seized of the challenges experienced by the stakeholders who rely heavily on cruise tourism for their livelihoods. We have made arrangements for the Ocho Rios transport operators to still get some of the business from the outer town ports. This initiative is aimed at providing some relief to the local economy during the port's downtime, The CEO maintains that the urgency of the situation cannot be overstated, as with another cruise season approaching, the PAJ is hard-pressed to ensure Ocho Rios is ready to welcome back ships and tourists. He says the ongoing construction and repair work are being prioritized to ensure that the port can handle the influx of passengers expected next year. We are in overdrive, Professor Shirley declared, while underscoring the PAJ's proactive approach to resolving the prevailing issues. He points out that the drive to reopen the Ocho Rios cruise port is not only about restoring a crucial tourist destination, but also revitalizing the local economy. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So they're looking at July 2025. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.